What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my Miniverse. At the end of last year, there were a lot of deals. Instant Ride Play on Instagram shared that the Cleo DeNile self-scare day was at Ross. You know, Cleo's Vanity. I have been looking everywhere to find that playset at a reasonable price. So when I saw it might be at Ross, I was out the door. I headed straight over to the toy section to see if I could find it. And there she is! Cleo DeNile Self-Scare Day. And what's that price? $19.99. Yeah! The box says the comparable price is $30, so we're saving about $10. And this playset does come with a doll. On the back of the box, it says, "For Cleo DeNile, having a beauty routine is the ultimate form of self-scare. Whether brushing her hair or trying on accessories, the Vanity is her favorite place to unwind while expressing her fabulously royal style." Let's get this doll out of the box for a closer look. Oh wow, that is such a cool backdrop. And there's plastic heat sealed to it. This playset gives us a Vanity. It's gold, turquoise, orange, and black. The back of the Vanity is decorated, which I love. I'm seeing flowers, sculpted feathers, cobras, and patterns. The mirror is pretty reflective, which can be fun when taking photos. Let's place it against the wall and check out the chair. It's all plastic. It's a gold color with a sculpted turquoise cushion. The base makes a pyramid. There's a bar on the bottom of the Vanity, so the chair doesn't go all the way under. The included Cleo DeNile doll is fully articulated with movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hip, and knee. However, she does not have chest articulation. The doll has long blue hair that reaches past the knee, a center part, and tinsel. Her eye makeup has aqua, orange, and yellow. She has red lipstick with gold down the center, wears turquoise earrings that are removable, a matching necklace, shiny gold shirt, paired with an asymmetrical skirt. They are separate pieces and Velcro in the back. And she finishes her look with a pair of gold shoes. Personally, I would have loved to have seen this playset without the doll, even though I love you, Cleo, because I don't see the need if the doll is going to have reduced articulation. But that's just my opinion as an adult doll collector. Who would pair this playset and accessories with dolls we already have? With this playset, we get a gold-colored hairbrush, orange earrings, another necklace, a snake bracelet, a gold-colored hand bracket that looks like rings, a gold headband, and a blue turban. The Vanity has storage for some of the smaller accessories like this tube of lipstick where we can remove the top. But overall, for $19.99, I'm happy. The Skullitimate Secrets Monster High, Monster Mysteries, Cleo DeNile has also been spotted for about $20. I bought this one for $18.99. It says there are 125 plus looks we have to solve, unlock, and reveal. On the back, we can see all the dolls in this line. Picture instructions are included, along with a key to help reveal the mysteries. I'm just gonna use it to open the door. There we go. Take out the bags. Then we're supposed to search for clues. I can't seem to find any. So let's just rip the bag open. To get a gold bag that says Cleo, we have a little bag accessory, a water bottle, a hairbrush, and a pair of shoes. We get this blue thing, stockings, leg warmers, and a terry cloth skirt with ribbon. We get a pair of gloves, a headset, a little piece that attaches to this, and a heart to go in the center. We get a plastic sculpted top with painted details, 2 hangers, and a few extra pieces. We're gonna attach this right here so we can use it to push up the included doll. There's a waist bracket that we can add to the top to keep the doll secure. There's another one that we can attach to the hearts to hold the doll. Here we are getting a Cleo with brown hair with turquoise highlights in the front and gold tinsel. There's a large gold triangle over one eye. This doll is fully articulated, including chest articulation. She wears a blue, black, and gold layer skirt with ribbons, a leotard underneath that we can use with some of the other pieces to mix and match different looks. We can use this included pole inside of this unit for a little closet space or a locker where we can hang some clothes. We also get a pair of gold boots with painted details. I love seeing Cleo with brown hair, and I hope to see more. Just like I hope this Monster High Buried Secrets doll is Cleo. I bought this like a week or two ago, and it was $14.99. Yep, $14.99 for a surprise doll where you don't know which one you're gonna get. I was just walking through the store and I happened to see it. I don't know anything about these, like if there's a code or not, but the box says it comes with a doll and 5 accessories. It's a paperboard box that has a print of wraps. We can see that there's a little plastic coffin in there. If there is a code, please let me know. Today is totally a Monster High day. Oh, that could be cute for scrapbooking or journaling, which is why I don't want to just tear through this. Oh, these kind of just open up. And there's little icons that look like Frankie. Does that mean what I think it means? I'm seeing a lot of blue around the edges. So let's just remove this to reveal it's Frankie. I mean, yay, Frankie! With blue and black hair cut around the shoulders, a band-aid on the nose, stars under the eyes, comes wearing a blue and pink nightgown with ribbon at the top, I like the little bow, and lace at the bottom. Earrings are removable, but only has some articulation. This doll can move at the head, shoulder, wrist, and hip. We have 2 bags, where we find a faux animal pillow and 2 green hair clips, a sleeping mask, and a comb. Definitely not the doll I was hoping for, but the inside of the box is all decorated, and it looks pretty cool. There are little pictures on the side. On the back, it looks like a bed. There are printed pillows, we have magazines, little games. I mean, they covered every inch of the inside of this box. I wonder if you can see it through the packaging. I got one more because I thought I might need a backup. I want to see if we can tell what is inside without opening it by just kind of pushing on the box a little to see the side. And yeah, I see a scarab beetle. It was right there. So I think this is Cleo DeNile. And we're just gonna remove the plastic. I'm gonna try to do this in real time so that you can see that this is Cleo. And there's the little beetle I was talking about. Let's finish unwrapping the doll, or unboxing, to confirm which doll we got. The inside of the coffin is all Cleo inspired. We get a little family photo, a partially articulated Cleo with a pretty cute face. She has stars, a brownish red lip color. Her hair is blue and blonde with tinsel. She wears gold colored earrings, PJs that look like a top and shorts with lace. They are sewn together. There's a ribbon attached at the waist. In the 2 bags, we have a little faux plush that we can place in one of our yellow chairs or on the vanity. In the other bag, we get a tube of brown lipstick or lip gloss that we can use with the vanity, along with the included handheld mirror that is painted silver on the other side. She has a sleeping mask and another pair of gold shoes. When it comes to the Buried Secrets dolls, I personally could live without the surprise at $14.99 for a doll that's not fully articulated. But I love this Cleo's face. I think she is beautiful. And it's always nice to get a few accessories. Thank you for joining us for a little Monster High Day featuring Cleo DeNile. and Frankie. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Fanbase, Instagram, and YouTube at MyFroggyStuff and Bella of MyFroggyStuff on Instagram. And we will see you next time.